So here is what happened on AUD We had a beautiful trade that went all the way to 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio out of 1 to 25 risk to reward ratio. But then there was a problem. The market started retracing, and guess what? There was no possible level where I would hope for the market to go back. Therefore, I had to cut the trade off. And here is the proof that I was able to take this particular trade, and I made about 3,335 US dollars. And here is the proof that this trade was forecasted, and here is the proof that the trade was actually taken in our signals community right here. So let's start from where it all began from. All right, so let's look at our focus right here. This forecast was shared in our mentorship community on the 29th of March. You can see that we had a beautiful QML, low, high, and break of structure right here, and then we had the market giving us a ton of liquidity which was left around this level right here. So my anticipation was that the market was going to come to this level so that we can get involved to push price to the upside. Our stop loss was 8 pips and our target was 180 pips, right? So let's see what happened. About 4 days later, we had the market coming into our area right here, and this trade was shared in our signals community. As you can see, the market came to the place where I wanted it to be, and the market gave us confirmation to enter. And guess what? This trade was shared in our signals community right here on Monday afternoon, and later on the market beautifully went to the upside all the way to this level right here. And you can see right here the market went all the way to about 1 to 19 risk reward ratio. However, like I've said, there was no level where the market was promising to hold, right? So if you go to the lower time frame, the level I wanted it to hold didn't hold. So you can see that there was a level here which I thought the market could respect. However, you can see that the market clearly just broke that level right there, and therefore we had to close this trade. You can see that I notified our members in the community to close this trade, and by the time the market we were closing this trade, the market was just at this level here. Let me just show you. This is where the market was right here when we closed this particular trade, and we closed the market at 1 to 15 risk to reward ratio. Around this level right here is where we closed this trade from, and since then the market kept on dropping to the downside. Like I said, there's no level that I was looking at that could potentially hold. The level I thought would hold was this level on the 15 minutes time frame, and you can see that the market didn't hold at this level right here. Otherwise, I'd have wanted to hold it all the way to our target right here, but guess what? That doesn't always happen. Therefore, you have to take what the market gives you and run with it. Otherwise, if you try to hold to the target and when the market is giving you this, you can end up going out with the break-even trade, because the market can literally come all the way to this level right here. Why? Because we have a lot of imbalance, and the market kept on just going to the upside without really giving us nice structures where the market could actually bounce out from. All right, so let's go to the higher time frame. What made me take this particular trade? You can see that we had a nice drop-based rally, and then on top of that we had a ton of liquidity which was left right here. And like I've said, I waited for the market to come and take out the liquidity and also take out the Asian low before I could get involved. And once the market came to my area, I was able to execute this trade to the upside. And like I've shared with you, this is the trade I took right here, and you can see that we made about $3,500. A beautiful trade right here. That's how it is. So this was a beautiful trade forecasted, and then we took this and shared with our private community. Let me show you the order block on the lower time frame that caused the change of character at that level right there, and why I actually took that. So if you can zoom in right here, let's just give it time to load a little bit. So you always have to make sure that you are going to the lower time frame. You have to find those levels where the market can respect. So I had to get the high and the low of this particular candle, and then take it to the right side, and then waited for the market patiently. I didn't rush for it. I waited for the market to give me a direction. Once the market came to my area after the forecast, I didn't hesitate. I executed because it was a setup that made my criteria. And whenever that appears, I always make sure that I take advantage of that, because I don't know if that trade is going to be a winner or not. But the only way to know is to take all trade setup that meets your criteria. That's how you become consistently profitable. All right, you guys, if you want an in-depth knowledge on how to trade like I've been showing you, the first link in the description has our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals. So make sure you take advantage of that. The first link in the description gives you access to that. Okay. Apart from that, we also offer signals, like I've showed you. With all the trades that we take are shared in our signals community right here. So make sure that you check the other link, the Telegram link, where you're able to communicate with me if you want the signals. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and let me know, what do you think is the best thing? Do you think I kind of got scared and ran off, or you think this was the right decision? So let me know in the comment section. For me, I feel this is the right decision to make, because there's no proper structure where the market can actually hold from here. Therefore, I thought, let me just get out with what I've made, and I was able to communicate this with our signals community to be able to close this trade right here. So yeah, that's that. All right, so make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're enjoying this kind of content. If you're not, let me know in the comment section. You guys, until next time, goodbye.